A man accused of arranging the murder of his wife while on their honeymoon has arrived in court in South Africa. Shrien Dewani, from Bristol, is accused of hiring a hitman to kill his wife Anni in 2010. He denies any wrongdoing. The couple were held at gunpoint while being driven in a taxi through Gugulethu Township near Cape Town. Mr. Dewani, 34, was thrown from the car. The body of Mrs. Dewani, 28, was found the next day in the abandoned taxi with a single gunshot wound to the neck. The trial at the Western Cape High Court is expected to last until December. Speaking at a press conference ahead of the trial, Anni's father Vinod Hindoka said he wanted answers from his estranged son-in-law. "I'm back in Cape Town today where my daughter was killed 4 years ago," he said. "Now that I'm here, all I ask for is the full story and justice. I am confident that South Africa will conduct a fair and open trial of Shrien Dewani." In 2012, 3 men were convicted in connection with Mrs. Dewani's death. South African prosecutors allege the millionaire businessman ordered the killing of his wife, who was a Swedish national. South African Shrien Dewani was convicted of premeditated murder for shooting Mrs. Dewani and jailed for life. Prosecutors claimed he was hired to carry out the killing. The couple's taxi driver, Zola Tongo, was jailed for 18 years after he admitted his part in the killing, and another accomplice, Mziwa Madodikwabe, also pleaded guilty to murder and was jailed for 25 years. The start of proceedings in a South African court follows a legal battle of nearly 4 years by the country's prosecuting authorities to bring Mr. Dewani to trial. He was arrested in December 2010 at the request of the South African authorities, on suspicion of conspiracy to murder, who said they would initiate extradition procedures. Mr. Dewani said he would not consent to being extradited. As a result, a legal battle took place on the grounds that Mr. Dewani was not fit to stand trial and amid concern that he would be mistreated in a South African prison. He was detained in a hospital having been diagnosed with post-traumatic stress disorder. Later, when Mr. Dewani's health improved, a judge ruled he could be extradited and, despite winning a right to appeal to the Supreme Court, he was put on a plane to Cape Town in April. Since then he has been held at the Valkenburg Hospital.